Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about a useful tip that you should know to help you speed up your editing on iMovie. So it's simple and very useful. So in order to split clips on iMovie, all you want to do is take your clip and let's just say I want to split this clip at one part. So now let's just say that this part is very boring and I want to get to the interesting stuff. So I'm gonna find the place where I want to cut this clip. I'm gonna select this location. And then I'm going to left click and select split clip. Now you can do that, or you could also go to that location and click on Command plus B. This splits your clips very quickly. So that's how to split clips on iMovie, and this is an iMovie tutorial I'm doing like after many months of not doing any Mac tutorials. So if you like this editing style and the style of this video, then please do comment that down below, because that really helps me kind of make better videos. And like this video if you found this helpful, subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching.